Getting shit blown in my eyes. I mean, man, it is really picking up out here. We're supposed to have a tornado. Hopefully it will not reach our house, because this house is not insured. We will be fucked. We are in the red zone, baby.
In a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 11:45 p.m. for the following county: Butler, Missouri.
Sight on in Greenwood.
This is an emergency
Mississippi.
alert. A large and strong tornado is on the ground. Seek
Oh
shelter
my goodness.
immediately.
Can it just end? We have now two. We now have an upgraded PDS tornado warning in Butler and Ripley counties in Missouri. So that is upgraded now to observed. There is a large tornado heading into Poplar Bluff over the next few minutes.
So I really didn't record much after this footage because things got a little bit crazy. Probably like 5 minutes later. The wind was so strong it could blow you over. It was whooshing and whistling, and the rain was slapping the house. It got nuts. Of course, we also lost power. I wish I had recorded more, but at the same time, you never know in those situations what can happen. There was multiple times that we thought that the tornado was right on top of us because the winds were so strong. But yeah, this is definitely something that I will never forget.